Hi, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about my voice here, but during these difficult times where people have to stay in, most restaurants throughout the world are closed except for takeaway or pickup. Google Maps have introduced in, I think, 98 countries as of the time of doing this video, and it's increasing daily and being updated frequently, a new feature in their maps. So if I just go to their maps, and now they have added takeout and delivery, and it's being updated all the time. So if I go to delivery, the location comes on, and you can scroll down. It's not completely up to date, but not bad at all. And if I press show list, and as you can read here, this is being updated, and some of the people haven't updated their own information, but you can look at the menus, order the food, and deliver. This works pretty much really throughout the world now. Excellent how they've reacted to this, and it really saves people a lot of time rather than just finding out what restaurants are open. Here you've got the menus, you can choose whatever you want, and so on and so on. Fantastic. There is another map application that I also want to mention and give credit to. Whereas Google Maps now is very good when you're overseas and in where I am now, Thailand. But if you're using it just for straightforward navigation, I think there's a better app. And it is called, let me just show you here. It is called, let me have a look, I use the word here. It is called Here. It's from the old Nokia company, for those who don't remember that, Nokia. Their software is fantastic. And it has one big advantage, that most of it is in English. So when you're driving, instead of all the Thai names coming up, it actually tells you the English names as well as. It does the same. I think it's even easier to use in Google Maps for your favorites and locations. If there's enough interest, I'll do a detailed comparison between Google Maps and this. This is much more for driving, walking, etc., etc. But it's very, very good. And it has one more advantage. You can download the maps and it stays in the phone indefinitely, and it gets updated all the time. So when you're driving, you do not need, especially if you're in a country where you've got no data or Wi-Fi, you don't need Wi-Fi or data. You can actually use it. Whereas Google Maps, I believe, only gives you a couple of weeks when you can download it, then it needs you to download it again. So it's very good for people that are traveling or stuck in a country with limited internet or data. Excellent programs, both of them. Let me know in your comments if you would like me to do a detailed analysis of this, and I will see you very soon. But press the subscribe button and share. I need the subscriptions. Takes a fair amount of work doing these, so please give a like as well. Thanks again. See you soon.